Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, submitting your sitemap helps Google find and index your website faster. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you how to submit a Wix sitemap to Google in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, make sure you open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of that. Go all the way and look for Wix, then open the Google Search Console. Log in with your Google account. Then select your Wix website property. Make sure your site is already verified. So as for now, let's go and check. For me, I'm still basically making my website, so I'm not fully done. You should be done by basically checking all of these, including your updating your site type, including a domain, get a custom business email, creating your menu, a table reservation for my type of websites and all of that. Then open the sitemap section. Click sitemaps from the left menu, then enter Wix sitemap link. It's basically sitemap.xml. Then click on submit. Google will now start processing your sitemap. You can also check the status when fully done. Wait for the status to show success, and that's basically it. There is also some tips and common issues, including Wix automatically updating your sitemap. You should also make sure your website is fully published, not like mine. So basically here where we usually edit the sitemap, make sure you publish the latest version here. They're gonna tell you click to publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. You should be doing this already. Then fix any indexed or even not submitted warnings. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.